Yay!
Countries and their national flags. Part 2. Hi, I'm Peanut. Today we will discuss about the different countries of the world and their national flags. In each slide, I'll show you the name of the country, tell you how the name is pronounced, and I'm also going to show you the national flag of that country. Ready to explore the world? Let's go. Now let's look at the countries we have in our list for the day. The first country on the list is France. France. The next country is Germany. Germany. Moving on, we have Italy. Italy. Next is Romania. Romania. Moving on, we have Spain. Spain. The next country we have is Greece. Greece. Next is Austria. Austria. Moving on, we have Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Next is Czech Republic. Czech Republic. The next country we have is Croatia. Croatia. Next is United States of America. United States of America. The next country is Mexico. Mexico. Next is Canada. Canada. The next country we have is Brazil. Brazil. The next country is Chile. Chile, which is also pronounced as Chile. Chile. Moving on, we have Peru. Peru. Then we have Argentina. Argentina. Then we have Belarus. Belarus. Next is Morocco. Morocco. Then we have Nigeria. Nigeria. Then we have Kenya. Kenya. Next is South Africa. South Africa. Moving on, we have Turkey. Turkey. Next is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Then we have Bahrain. Bahrain. The next country on our list for the day is Australia. Australia. Then we have New Zealand. New Zealand. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. I really appreciate you joining in today. And for more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links are available in the description box below. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.